Hello, hope you're well. My name's Connor, product genius at Lamborghini Leeds. To the current lockdown status, we thought we'd take the opportunity to take you on a walk around of our Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive. This particular Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive is finished in Nero Helene metallic. Moving on to the wheels, we have the 20-inch Narvi forged wheel in shiny black, partnered up with the yellow carbon ceramic brake calipers, which suit the car to an absolute T. The vehicle has a body-coloured style package, which means parts of the trim such as the side skirts and trim on the front apron and rear apron are finished in body colour. To the rear of the car, we have the matte black rear bumper and diffuser. Moving up top, this particular car has the transparent ending bonnet, which is an iconic feature. Heading on into the interior, we're greeted by these fully electric heated comfort seats with contrasted stitching in yellow to match the calipers on the exterior of the vehicle. The multifunction steering wheel is finished in smooth leather and has a contrasted stitching in yellow to match the rest of the interior. The steering wheel has lots of functions, including radio settings, sat-nav settings, and also the selection of your driving mode. The vehicle comes with front and rear park assist, including reversing camera, and also front axle lift. Your car deserves to be maintained to original Lamborghini factory standards from day one, and for every mile that follows. So when it comes to replacing its precision engineered components, only Lamborghini genuine parts fit by academy trained technicians will do. It's how we guarantee performance.